Imagine that you're working on a project and you're supposed to finish that project on a particular date, and you're the whole sole responsible person to complete that project because you have the required knowledge, you have the resources, and you have the people to complete that. But you came to a situation where you realized that you could not complete that project, and your incentives and the money which was involved, you could not get paid. And later, after some time, probably a year down the line, you realize that if you could have taken somebody's advice or probably an expert counsel, you could complete that project. I believe in our life, this kind of incident has happened to many of us, where we realized later on that if we could do something differently, or if we would have not stopped where we stopped in the past, we could have achieved by trying something different, by taking expert advice, by doing something different which we were doing in life. Now, the number one reason, the most common cause of failure in our life is we quit. As a human being, we quit whenever we are taken by a temporary defeat. Every person is guilty of making this mistake at one time or another. Let me share with you one of the very interesting story that I read in the book Think and Grow Rich. The story is 3 feet away from the gold. This story is basically Mr. Darby and his uncle. They got to know from somewhere that there is a gold lying in the ground, and they knew the exact location. But they did not know how deep the gold was lying in the ground. Now what they did, they arranged all the fundings, they arranged the funds from several different persons so that they could arrange the machinery, so they could buy the tools required to dig the ground and get the gold out of the ground. They did everything. They had all engineers to instruct them. But they were heavily involved in that mining. They started working with the engineers, and they kept on drilling, but there came a point where they felt frustrated because they could not find the amount of gold they were expecting. The kind of money they invested, they could not have that kind of return to which they could pay their debts. And they became so frustrated that at one point they stopped digging, they stopped mining. And guess what? They sold that entire machineries, those tools, for just few $100s to a junk man. Now junk man, he was a smarter one. He was not like other junk mans. He went to those engineers again and he started asking what happened to the digging. Why Mr. Darby and his uncle could not find the gold. Now those engineers said that Mr. Darby and uncle stopped believing that there was a gold. And we were saying that the gold could have been found if we would dig at least 3 more feet, but they stopped believing in that. They quit at that point of time. The junk man again had a quick discussion with those engineers and said, let's quickly go ahead and start digging the ground. Why not go ahead and dig more into the ground, and we might go ahead and get the fortune. They started doing it, and guess what? They got the gold mine. They became millionaires overnight. They became rich overnight. Mr. Darby and his uncle got to know about this incident. They did not have anything but to regret. But ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Darby has noted down a very important lesson out of this story. Now he's an owner of an insurance company, and he proudly says that I learned this lesson and I now believe in stickability. I don't believe in quitability. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my request and message to all of you today, that whenever you do anything, do not stop until you finish. And Mr. Darby now says that I do not stop selling if somebody says that I don't want to buy your insurance. I try with another customer, I try with another guy. So one of the most common cause of the failure, as we discussed in the starting, is the habit of quitting when we feel discouraged. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember, success and opportunity comes in the form of temporary defeat. Those who identified, those who recognized those opportunities in those disguised format, get success. Those who don't can't taste the success. So I hope this video was worth. If you have any feedback or questions, please do share in the comment section. This is your friend Tawseef Hassan signing off. Until we meet again, have a great day.